understanding your power to manifest. I am sure you understand fully the importance of writing down your goals, dreams, and desires. It is also important that you are clear on how to write these things down. You are encouraged to write your goals and desires in the present tense. For example, if you desire to make more money, you will want to write it down as the following: I am thankful now that I'm making so much money. I am thankful I have achieved such and such experience. I am thankful now I am currently earning such and such amount of money. I am grateful that I am experiencing such and such thing. But here's a trick that can help you make it more real. Think about this. Generally, when you have experienced the achievement of a goal or dream, after some time, the experience becomes natural or normal. Many times, the experience may actually become mundane or even boring. Consider that if you desire a bigger home or a sports car, you know that at some point you have to do the mundane, normal things within the context of that experience. For example, you will have to wash the dishes in your new, more expensive kitchen, in your new, more expensive home. Most likely, you will have to vacuum or wash the brand new sports car. Maybe you will pay somebody to do these things for you, but you know it has to get done. Will you be doing laundry, sweeping the floors, driving to the gas station to fill up the tank? Maybe you are going to have to do new landscape since you allow a fungus to grow in your new yard. Can you picture yourself pulling weeds? Can you picture the lawn crew coming to your house to clean it up? What about your pool cleaning services? Can you picture your new home getting a new roof because you have lived long enough in it that you now have to replace it? Can you picture yourself having that argument with the new spouse or mate? If you desire a new relationship, you understand that it is not always going to be rainbows, unicorns, and butterflies. See, it seems that as we desire things, we may set them on a pedestal as if these things were going to give us some ephemeral feeling of indescribable happiness. That may be true to a certain extent, but after you open up gifts, almost immediately you begin to experience conflict resolution. Every story has a climax and finally a conflict resolution phase. It generally leads to another conflict where a new desire is created. Acknowledging this perspective will make sure to ground your dreams and desires into the real world. The frequency of your dreams then is modulated to what could be an average and normal experience. You then begin to raise your awareness of its already created reality because you can accept that it is just an average and normal awareness that creates such realities. You can even ground it even more by imagining having to take your new shiny vehicle for an oil change. Can you picture yourself bored and annoyed because you are waiting for the mechanics to get the job done. Can you see how picturing a mundane image of your dream or desire that would naturally happen makes it more real? The truth is that even though there is somebody currently experiencing what you most desire, that person is no longer excited about the current status quo. You can also be sure that they have a current conflict from which they desire to experience something new or better. So take your desire and ground it in reality. Thank you for listening.